Hello Panthers, and welcome to a new video by the Career and Talent Development Department. The goal of our office is to provide you the resources you need to grow professionally and to explore all other opportunities available. With this in mind, our office regularly hosts events such as our internship and graduate school fairs. Registering for and attending these events are easy, and today's video will assist you in doing just that. Begin by logging into your Handshake account. If you do not know how to access your Handshake account, pause this video and take a look at our How to Access Your Handshake Account video linked in the description below. After logging into your Handshake account, click on the Events tab on the top left of the home page. Once there, you will be able to see a list of all our resources. If you do not immediately see the internship or grad school fair listed, use the search bar to find them. When you click on either the Internship Fair tab or the Graduate School Fair tab, you'll be able to review event details in addition to registering. Register by clicking on the Register or Join Event button on the right of the page. Clicking that button immediately registers you for that event using your already populated Handshake credentials. Once registered, you will receive an email confirming your registration. If the job fair is not provided by our office, the confirmation email that was sent after clicking the Register button will direct you to the outside resource that will be providing the fair. Once there, follow their instructions. That's it for today's video. We hope that you found this video very helpful. If you have any further questions, feel free to visit our office at SASC 305 or give us a call at 305 348 2423. For more resources, make sure to check out our website at career.fiu.edu.